Hello everyone and welcome back to the next edition of the fighting game. So wanted to show you the updates since the last one that we've been working on. So we made a main menu, as you can see down here, and that's what this is at the moment. When I press play, the thing will come up. The buttons don't work yet, but we're going to fix that later, and then we'll go into the map and show you the updates on the regular map. Hit play. Elite Fight Club is going to be the name of the game. The versus player button will allow you to get that versus player. There's no character select screen yet, but we're going to make that next. And then the quit button, which would quit out. So, okay, since those don't work yet, we have to do it this way, because again, the game's not launchable yet, other than seeing those things. We're going to go with that. Alright, so this brings us back into this, which you guys have seen this part, but I'm going to show you the updates that we made since the last. Alright, so this is now the knight character. All the different animations, idle, run, jump, stuff like that, right? Okay, and then you got your animations list, which we'll show you. You have all your stuff right here of your different animations you do. Jump, jump down, run, take a hit, idle, death, block, attack, air attack. So all your animations that your character is going to do in game is through this source. And then as well, the coding for that is the same as the monk pretty much, except for you replace all these rules stuff with the knight stuff, and then as well the name of the attacks: knight air attack, knight attack, stuff like that. So and then we also had to, let's see, where's the character? Let's see here. I just have to do it under mine, I believe. Let's see. Characters. Oh, there we go. Nope. Let's see. It won that one, so it's probably under mine. Where is it? So no, I created it, duplicated the monk. Let's see here. Oh, it's probably under the monk blueprint. It is. So right here, you have your child class. It's the same as your monk, except for you change the stuff in the character blueprint itself to match what the knight's stuff is. I'm going to open this full blueprint editor. So everything is the same in here, but you still had to change some things over on this side. This is the idle animation, but as you can see, this air attack box and this attack box is different than the monks, because the monks is different. If I hit sprite here, I can always change this up to C. Just to show you real quick, and then we'll put it back to idle, because you can see that the idle works. See, the attack goes that far, and then the air attack goes a little bit further, as you can see. So that's what those are for. And then we also had to what else did we change? We changed something. Oh, back over here in our animation blueprint, to be able to see the attack on the health bar, you had to set up the notify for the attack and air attack. And how we did that was through here, right? So if we hit attack, we added a notify right here, and when we added the notify, basically anytime that it passes over that 4 to 5, then it will do a hit damage on the health bar. And then the same with this, between 3 and 4. Alright, so I'm gonna compile, save this. Okay, I'll close this stuff out, because now you know what all we have updated. And then this was the same thing, just a black background, and that was the main menu. Alright, and then this as you can see, is different for the monk's hitbox and for attack box and the air attack, as you can see. Okay, so without further ado, we'll show you the updates of everything. So as you can see, the knight is a lot taller than the monk, but and oh right, that was what else we did real quick. We added some updates to the things over here, the default base damage, how much health, the player speed, the max health, the da 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 da. So basically, you can adjust the settings here if you like to appeal for what you're trying to do in game. Which we'll mess more with that later, but for now, okay. You can see that I can jump, and you see the jump up, jump down animations, run forward, run backwards. If I jump over him, he switches. As you can see, there's no timer yet, so it's just like whatever I want. And if I come here, and you can see a large amount of the health bar with that sword. But if my character is blocking, oh, wrong one. Alright, if my character is blocking and within range, then it isn't gonna do as much, as you can see. Okay, now same thing here. You know, good hit, and then and that is the death animation for the knight. We've seen the death animation for the monk, and now you've seen the animations jump up, jump down, the switch sides, and oh, and then that was the other one we need to do, right? If we both jump up, the attack. As you can see, the air attack is just like a straight sword shot. Oop. Alright, so hope you all have been enjoying these updates of the fighting game. I'm going to be calling it Elite Fight Club, and we will see y'all back as we make more updates. But now that we got that second character all working and the main menu done, we will be adding maps soon, and look forward to seeing y'all as we continue to make updates. We should hopefully within the next couple months have this game ready to post and get play tested. See y'all on the next edition.